up guys, Chris here for GQ37. We're back here for another mod on my QX70. Another simple one, just upgrading the floor mats. Now I had these diamond stitched floor mats in my G37 and had the red stitching to match the red seats. Everybody really loved those. That was something a lot of you guys asked about here on the channel, you know, where I got them, and that's something that most people, as soon as they got in the car, they noticed, and it was a cool factor. So I'm doing them in here. You probably see a lot of these advertised on social media, Facebook, Instagram, diamond floor mats, all kinds of different brands, and they're about 180 and up. Now, I got these on eBay. I go straight to the source because they're made in China. So that's what we do here in America, right? We buy something cheap, inflate it, act like it's ours, and sell it. But I'm trying to save you guys some money, so just go straight to the source. I'll put the links in the description. For the G37, they're a little cheaper. I guess it's a smaller car. I don't know why. They're about 75, 80 bucks. For the G37. For the second gen FX, these were about 100. They were like 99. The prices fluctuate, but that's what they currently are, and it still saved me about half the price of what I would have paid for one of those like drop ship type companies that you see advertised on Facebook. So here we go. I ended up going with a color trying to match the limited trim here, and it does look pretty close. Even though I plan on going red interior at some point down the road, it won't be probably anytime soon, so in the meantime I wanted this to match and see what happens later on down the road. Alright, so you can immediately tell which one is the driver's floor mat because it's going to have this rubber wear pad here for your heels. So I always start with that one and then work my way around. I've installed these on a few different vehicles, even for some of my detail clients. So here we go. I'm just going to slide the seat back. I've already taken out the factory mat. This would be a good time to vacuum out your interior if you've never done that, before you cover it all up. So it is custom molded. You just kind of go away or go along with the guides here. So I'm just pulling up this trim first. Maybe. Try to tuck this under here a little bit better. So I'm just pulling this trim up a little bit and tucking this underneath it, and then I'll put it back down, and hopefully it's not too thick to allow it to snap back in place. Pretty tight back underneath it. We'll see if that's enough. Feels like it is. Alright, pull this back down. Alright, so there it is. I put my trim back. So tuck that underneath there. Now they do have these little plastic clips it comes with to make sure that this kind of stays tucked into your dash here, and it's just going to clip on the inside of this, especially with your seat travel back and forth. That just kind of helps keep it snug to that. Alright guys, kind of doing the same thing here with the back seat. This one's going to cover all the way across to the other side. So I just scooted the front seat up a bit, and just going to be tucking it under here. There's not going to be much to show you because it's just tucking it in here, and if I put it on the tripod at the camera, I'm just going to be kind of in the way. So as you can see, this one's going to cover over this little bridge here, and I'm just going to tuck it underneath. These panels are going to get tucked into the seat there to make a nice clean look. So here's what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, here we are. This is the finished product. Fitment was really good. I'm happy with how they turned out. The back seats here. So the only thing I wasn't able to put under the trim was this. To get that panel, you pull it up, but then this material is just too thick for that to go pop back down. So it just kind of goes around it. But otherwise, fitment's really good. So I will put a link in the description for these exact ones that I ordered for the seller that I use. Of course, they come in different colors, so you can get whatever color combination you like. All right, guys. Well, hopefully this is helpful to you. And any of you looking for some floor mats like this, hopefully it'll save you a little bit of money from going from some of those more expensive sellers. Thanks for liking and subscribing and commenting, and I will see you guys in the next video.